Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. Telegram Stories new Telegram feature. Over the past decade, Telegram built hundreds of new features that are now used by over 800 million people. In this update, Telegram launched Stories with a unique dual camera mode, granular privacy settings, flexible duration options, and much more. Telegram Stories lets you quickly share moments and see more from your friends, and they're now available on Telegram. This was by far the most requested feature in the history of Telegram, and they've spent several months innovating and refining the format. Telegram Stories have all the things you'd expect, and plenty more that have never been done before. Stories are displayed in an expandable section at the top of your screen, so you still see the full length of your chat lists and folders. When viewing a story, you can quickly tap to share, reply privately, or react. Tap for a quick heart, or hold down to use hundreds more reactions. By default, you'll see stories from all your contacts on your homepage, and you can hide stories from specific contacts, sending them to your archived chats. Dual camera mode. To capture scenes from every angle, Stories can take photos or videos with both the front and rear camera of your device simultaneously, letting you choose which camera goes where even while recording. That's amazing. Stickers, locations, and captions. Stories use Telegram's powerful media editor, allowing you to add text, drawings, stickers, or tag your location. For even more context, Stories support captions, where you can include a longer text description, tag friends, or add links. You can add multiple images from your gallery or use search to find GIFs and pictures from the web. Granular privacy settings. When posting a story, you can select from 4 privacy settings who can view your story: everyone, my contacts, close friend, and selected contacts. Each option can be completely customized, allowing you to include or exclude any users. You can also select a list of users who will never see your story, so your boss or grandma won't find out about your adventurous side. To keep a story even more private, you can disable screenshots to prevent viewers from saving or sharing it. Stories in profiles. Stories can last for your choice of 6, 12, 24, or 48 hours. You can also post them to your profile, arranged in a gorgeous grid, where both old contacts and new connections can see your highlight reel for as long as you want. Now when you meet people on Telegram, you'll see exciting snapshots of their life, not just a few profile photos. Each story that you post to your profile has separate privacy settings, so you can always control which ones certain people are able to see. Editing stories. For the first time in the history of social media, you can update any element of your story at any time, changing its visibility, caption, on-screen text, stickers, or anything else, without having to delete and repost it from scratch, which Facebook and IG stories don't have. To edit your story, open it on the device you posted it from and tap the 3 dots, then click Edit Story. Detailed view statistics. When a user opens a story, they appear in a list of viewers that is visible to the story's author. After you post a story, you can open it to see the list, which you can filter to show just your contacts, and sort by recent views first or reactions first. If you want to check if a specific user saw it, type their name into the search bar. And the last awesome Telegram feature I want to talk about is called Stealth Mode, which allows premium users to watch stories completely anonymously. You can enable this feature by going to any story and selecting Stealth Mode in the menu, and it will erase your views from any stories you opened in the last 5 minutes and hide you from the stories you view for the next 25 minutes. As you can see, Telegram is full of awesome features, even something as simple and familiar as stories. I'm sure they will continue to develop this tool. If you have any questions, please comment down below. See you in the next video.
Before we end this video, let me introduce to you Postifluence by Technic Force. Rank at the top of the SERPs and drive organic traffic to any niche with the only SEO strategy that still works. Get yourself and your customers free targeted traffic with guest posts on high-ranking and high-traffic websites. Zoom to the top of the SERPs with 100% organic link building and traffic source. Find tons of blogs and websites eager to post your articles. Get 100% organic do-follow links. Only ranking sites, no bad players or dead blogs. Automated email and SMS reach out. Email and phone number of bloggers and influencers. And a lot more. Postifluence builds you backlinks and gets you new traffic with hands-free ease. So what are you waiting for? Get Postifluence now. Just go to getpostifluence.in.
I hope you find this video helpful, and thanks for watching.